Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my 2021 KTM 85 big wheel. I'm going to be doing a sound comparison between the stock silencer. Then over here we got the FMF turbinecore 2 with the spark arrestor. And I'm going to be doing a sound comparison. So here we go. Here we got the 85 big wheel, cold start. I'll let it warm up and we'll do some revs. Okay, now it's all warmed up. Let's do some revs. So all you'll need to swap the exhaust is a T30 and a T45 star type Allen wrench, a little flathead screwdriver, and a rubber mallet. Well, you don't need the rubber mallet, but it helps a lot. Okay, so now that we got the exhaust off, there's two very important things. You want to take these two little metal kind of grommet type things off, because you're going to need to put them on the FMF. And then you're also going to want to take these little like ring springs, take those off, and then pull this off and put it on the FMF. Here we go. Okay, now we got everything swapped over to the FMF, and let's go put it on. See you soon. Okay, so now I got the FMF on the bike. Looks pretty fresh, guys. Okay, let's do a sound test. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Got some nice sound clips in there. Please make sure to like and subscribe, share with some of your friends, and comment what you'd be interested in me making. So yeah, bye.